Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? So, what's the next target of Dent coin in upcoming days? Dent moving up or fails down more? Exactly, this is very important question for Dent coin. And today days and those days, absolutely, the Dent coin is in the trending, my friend. Very viral coin, my friend. They very fastly moving up. So this is the trend time, my friend. You can see here plus 13.9%. They're going up. So congratulations, everyone. This is very fast. This cryptocurrency. Let's get started the prediction to upcoming days. They're moving up or they fails down more. So my friends, before I get started this video, I request you to please click the subscribe button, keep touch with us, follow us. I hope you cannot lose anytime any cryptocurrencies if you follow ABS Tech channel. Please keep touch with us. This is free guiding you, my friend, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, my friend. If you can see here this time the last 7 days charts on the screen, my friend. This time they change occur minus 32.75%. They fails down, so very badly changed, my friend. This time they gone down. But if you can see here, my friend, the chart exactly, my friend, has gone very badly, fails down. Here it is no highest jump. You can see here they fails down completely, and this circulation, my friend, you can see here. So my friend, after this fall they also fails down more. After this jump they fails down again. So everybody remember to they moving at this circulation. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and after a fails they take a jump. You can see here this is the circulation style of my friend Dent coin. So my friend, this time you can see here the cheap price, very cheap price, my friend. 0.011 US dollar, my friend, is the cheapest price in the crypto market, my friend. This time very good for YouTube. They give you very millionaire, they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. So please remember to this is holding time. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit. So thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel.